Modern brick factories undertaken by Jinggong Machinery. Construction flows of brick factories. Company offers the most reasonable investment plan. Company designates chief designer to revise the layout plan. Company recommends, or the client independently selects professional construction teams. Most sealing of tunnel kilns adopt the patent applied by the company 8 years ago. Equipment is installed and planned as per the 3D layout plan provided by the company. Current production lines are equipped with chain plate feeders, uniformly feeding jaw crushers, and crushers. Jinggong's crushers are highly cost-effective. During crushing and screening processes, bag-type dust collectors shall be configured to avoid dust pollution. Screening the crushed material is a relatively simple process, but due to large size of drum screen, it has large difference in height between feeding and discharging materials. Hence, it shall be reasonably set during planning. Shale brick factories generally are equipped with double shaft mixers, which can conduct water distribution while mixing and keep moisture content of clay materials around 17%. When installing brick machines, apply bricks and concrete as fundamental main structure. The installation of whole set of equipment requires about 1 week, during which the company's technician will provide guidance. The installation team shall incorporate 4 to 8 persons, and hoisting equipment is required. After completion of installation and 1 week after concrete setting, the company's commissioning personnel will conduct single unit commissioning or integrated system commissioning for a period of 3 to 5 days. Setting machine and manipulator are two widely adopted automatic methods for brick setting. Clients may choose from the plans provided by the company. The company's multifunctional setting machine can adapt to large, medium, and small-sized tunnel kilns and rotary kilns. Meanwhile, featuring brickmaking and pulling functions. Standard blank storage workshop can meet requirements for mass production and achieve maximum efficiency of brick factory. The setting of air outlet for air duct on both sides of drying kiln and the setting of moisture removal hole on kiln roof is highly technology involved. Besides, environmental centralized air outlet will be set on kiln roof to conduct tail gas purification. The roasting kiln before us is the most crucial and important roasting equipment for a brick factory. For a kiln, the setting of air duct and technology and experience in air brake and brake lifting usually determines coal consumption during brick firing. The entire roasting system will determine quality, cost, and production rate of red bricks. Automatic packing machine packs finished products into small square piles. Each contains about 480 bricks and weighs about 1,200 kilograms. Ziyang Jinggong was established in 1991 and is a large-scale professional production enterprise oriented with energy-saving and environment-friendly automatic wall material machinery products and integrating R&D, design, production, and sales in southwest China. The company's brick-making units are widespread in Sichuan, Yunnan, Guizhou, Hunan, Chongqing, Guangxi, Hubei, Xinjiang, Inner Mongolia, etc., and are exported to Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Russia, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, South Africa, and other countries, enjoying widespread praise from domestic and international customers. Reference achievements of brick-making factories executed by Jinggong Machinery Company Limited. This is a beautiful brick factory in Yilong, Sichuan. Purple Red Mountain provides the typical shale for brick making. The brick factory has standardized design, with standard watching room at the gate and exquisite and practical office building. In front of the office building, there's a bulletin board full of various rules and regulations. We now have a full view of the factory's kiln and plant. The factory is where all the staff works. The colorful sidewall presents us with the company's standard management and staff's working standards. Brick factories are generally in rectangular shape. For this factory, we can find blank making workshop in the left, drying and roasting kilns in the middle, and finished bricks and setting track in the right. The whole factory is constructed by steel structure, with anti-acid corrosion composite glass steel tiles for the roof. Nowadays, material mining has achieved mechanization, so the mining expense can be controlled around 2 cents. Plus, the mineral cost for materials, the expense will not exceed 3 cents.
Here is the shale entering into crushing process. Beneath the hopper is a standard jaw crusher.
The material goes through primary crushing, adds in certain proportion of coal, and then enters into crusher for fine crushing. The crushed fine materials needs further screening. The environmental laws provides that powder manufacturing workshop shall conduct sealing and dust-proof measures, and shall be equipped with bag-type dust collectors. The crushed materials will conduct aging in aging bunker. The materials after aging will enter into mixing process through feeder and conveyor. The arrangement and deployment for the factory is clearly in order. After primary mixing and water distribution, the materials will enter into superior mixing process in vacuum brick machine. Mix the plasticized clay materials, thus extrude green body with excellent plasticity and high strength from inferior exit of vacuum brick machine. This set of brick-making system is equipped with automatic strip cutting machine to cut strips and automatic brick cutting machine to cut out green body. The two machines adopt numerical control system with servo motors. Green body goes through automatic marshalling machine, enabling automatic setting machine to conduct automatic setting at scheduled time and quantity. The whole system can achieve unmanned operation. As an automatic system manufacturer, all original components of Jingong Brick Machinery's control system come from imported brands and famous domestic brands, which are of high reliability, and the service life of setting machine is over 2 times longer than others. Our multifunctional setting machine chuck has brick making and pulling functions, which can connect brick piles to improve stability. Before us is a standard kiln car, which is composed of forged steel wheels, steel plates, and channel steel rack. A factory brick platform is constructed above the insulation cushion, which can meet the non-deforming requirement for the kiln car under high temperature calcination. This is the ferry vehicle used for kiln cars, which can realize rail transfer for empty kiln cars and heavy load kiln cars. Kiln cars that go through brick setting process will be arranged orderly and enter into drying kiln in sequence, and then enter into roasting kiln after drying process. After natural cooling, the finished red bricks will be loaded on a truck. Most brick factories complete the flow by manual work, while Jingong has developed the automatic loading and packaging plan to solve the final equipment problem for automatic brick factory and realize fully automatic brick making. The factory's management also extends to the standard parking of trucks, presenting us an orderly production and operation site.